almost of all straight shavers and non-straight shavers alike. This is my channel, Cajun Blade, and we get our shave on tonight. So tonight, I'm back home from work, and we're gonna respond to Greg's challenge that was started by, I don't remember if it was who started the challenge, but it was a vintage razor challenge. And one of the razors I'm gonna try to shave with, I've got a good shave off of it once. It's an A. Hummel Aschenberg. It's obviously it looks just like Wade & Butcher has some razors like this. It's a deeply hollowed razor. But if you can see the spine, it's on its geometry is jacked. So I've been homing it on a narrow hone, and I got a good shave out of it once. We're gonna see if we can do it tonight. It looks like somebody Dr. matted one side and then been honing with tape on the other side. This razor was a shit show when I got it, and I eventually will correct the spine. But it was black. Old razor. Couldn't find no information. I'd put it in the mid 1800s, but I did a little shined up job on it, and I was able to hone it without a massive geometry correction. I didn't want to get on that yet because I got some work ahead of me, and it gave me a good shave. This is my second shave. I just put it on a new JNAT I have, and which Sheffield's like JNATs, we all know that, so I'm gonna try that. And if it fails, another vintage Philly Especial. This one was done on a Cotty, and it was a good edge, and I kind of buttered her up on a third Indian, and then went to a True Horde, Arkansas, so I think that one will be okay. Being it is a vintage shave, we're gonna go with my Old Spice mug of soap. My most recent brush I made a couple, gave one away, but I kept this one for myself. Another Boar on Buck 24 millimeter Boar brush. So we'll go ahead and get it lathered up. I'm home for a month. Kind of excited. Look at that Old Spice. Don't tell me how old that is, and this sun's gonna jump off the puck. Anyway, gotta do some training. I got my normal days off. Good to be home. Getting close to crawfish season. Mardi Gras coming up. So I know you've heard Rob and Sean. A couple other people haven't put anything out yet. I've been playing with a post-shave balm, not an aftershave. Not an aftershave balm, so to speak. This is a pure tallow, pure butters in it, no water. It was 100% oils in it. And I did it because I wanted something with healing characters and something, you know, after you aftershave. And it's not gonna be nothing much scented, but just talking to the guys, I'm gonna try it using it as a pre-shave oil. Never done it before, this is the first time on camera. I will release it soon. I don't have a name yet or nothing like that. So you haven't seen me use pre-shave in quite a while. And it's not because I do not believe in pre-shaves. Pre-shaves are great. But I've been testing a lot of soap, trying to do some learning and information gathering, and just trying to look what others have, and tallow and non-tallow. But I can't learn shit with a pre-shave on, because, and look, when you buy my soap or give you my soap, whatever, try it without a pre-shave. I want to know how it does, how it performs. You can't know how a soap performs with a pre-shave because you're setting it up for success. So all soaps are the same. I didn't make my soap to be just like everybody else's soap. I made my soap to be the best straight shaving soap you could find. And that's what I want. You know, I want a great base. And that's what I work towards. And that's what I'm proud of. You know, you can put any soap on a DE shaver. You know, as long as it smells good. That's not what I try to do. I try to make a superior soap that gives you long-lasting slickness and aftershave, nice skin food in it, you know. But anyway, I may not look at it like everybody else, but that's what I make it for me. So I applied some of my post-shave balm or my, you know, skin food, however you want to call it, and as a pre-shave, we'll see how it goes. I do know that this Old Spice, which is an old tallow soap, is not. It's good. It's not just incredibly sick. Slick for a straight shaver. It's a good thirsty towel of soap though. So yes, I do use pre-shave. I know Joe was talking about how some people don't. I do believe me, I think it's good for you. But I can't learn anything from a soap bite when I use pre-shave. I mean, to me, they're all the same. Brush is new, not quite broken in yet. See how she goes. All right. We're gonna try that A Hummel, Schulenberg or Schwarzenberg, whatever it's called. The old razor. Off the JNAT edge, and we'll see how it does. I'll lose the glasses. Right. About like the last one I did with it. It's not terrible. It's keen. Definitely past the HHT with flying colors. I'm working with 4 days group. I did cheat. Use Naira Homes for this. I'm not one that big about blaming the razor or the stone when you know going in there's an issue. So you just work around it, right? That's what us owners do. Work around it. When in doubt, get a Naira stone. Roll your strokes. I do need to eventually fix the geometry on this razor though. But for a very Naira grind razor, it's got some weight, really good weight to it. So if you enjoy a heavy razor, this would be a good one. I can't see, I'm working off that mirror on the side. Okay. A bid on a Giro Wilson just like this. Missed it on eBay by a few dollars. Same type spine, same type drawing. So I don't think I'm digging this oil. As appreciated. I noticed how it looked like it was beating up too much oil underneath my soap. Oh man. And I can see how it's sticking to my blade on my razor. All right. Nick already. That and a Caliho is probably my 2 oldest razors. That's why I want to use that one. Just in the spirit of the challenge. But we're going to the Philly. Let's check it. Absolutely very keen. Very, very keen. So whenever I do eventually get around to correcting that booger, it's gonna be a good razor, good steel. It's so off when I hone it. I can feel when I come off an air stone. I can feel the blade like, you know, and it's not cracked. It's just jacked. You know what I'm saying? But hey, sometimes in challenges like that can teach you something. Not cracked, it's jacked. Hey, that's a good saying. I just hadn't had enough time to spend with it and dedicate to it. When I first got it, the bell was shit, and I did want to hone it to make sure that it wasn't ratty. You know, well, it was ratty, but I wanted to make sure I could clear it. Philly, I'm excited to try this one. Oh yeah. Now this is a thin ground razor. Significantly changed, you know, in your feel between the two. That other one is a thin ground razor at an age before they were having thin ground razors, so. Okay. The bottom of the neck. This edge is very nice. That's something that Rick told me about a couple times. I never really tried it until I seen Rob doing it, which is putting a thread in between a conical and an arc. I'm really liking it. This isn't the third time I've tried one. Nice. Nice, nice. A little water off, I'll say. The last pass will go against the grain. So of the pre-shaves that I've tried that I liked, press is a good one, but I mostly like your soap pre-shaves compared to your oil ones. And that's probably why I didn't enjoy mine that much. But that wasn't the intent when I made this one. It's, like I said, it's a more of a skin food and post shave. Ooh, that baby's keen. Nice. Back to the left hand. So I don't trust myself getting close to my goatee with the left hand. So I just swap to the hand. We'll trim up a little bit. right. It's a nice time to trim up around the mustache, so we'll do that. I don't do that every shave, but I probably should. Makes it easy when it's that keen. All righty. That was fantastic. Great challenge. Good to bust out some old razors. Of course, most of my razors are old. I have customs, but I enjoy the classics more than I like the customs. Oh, lovely, lovely. Outstanding. Outstanding. Okay, so we did Old Spice. And get some hair in my sink. It's a lot of hair I've removed. So we did Old Spice. And one thing, y'all know I'm not big on soaps that like aftershaves. I do buy often, especially your small artisans, a lot of their soaps. But I like classic aftershaves, and that's my thing. And I found SkinBracer Cool Spices. So got some more cool shit coming up, but it's like if SkinBracer and Old Spice had a baby. It's got that maxed out alcohol catching the gear, so you're gonna know if you don't have a good shave. If you wear panties in your wife's purse to shave, you don't want this. I'm telling you, the smell is very much like SkinBracer and Old Spice mix. Probably what they did, but I was able to find this. I think it's out of the early 80s. If you know any of y'all got some old aftershaves that your wife thinks stinks, send them to me, because I like that. So anyway, holy shit, I'm gonna wash this sink. That's the longest I went without shaving in a while. And as y'all can see, I detached the goatee to mustache because I got too close at work and kept moving that way, and I had a shaving accident. So you gotta roll with it and figure out how you can survive. So that's what I did. So anyway, I'm glad you got to join me. Really enjoyed the challenge. I think we're starting to run out of people. So Barry started, that's who started. So my challenge, I'm gonna just pick one. I'm gonna go to Philip Sharp. I know you got a straight razor. I know Daniel fixed you up. I would go Daniel, but he don't always shave. Now I'm gonna do that. Philip Sharp and Daniel Mahoney. So both of y'all, I wanna see if y'all, I don't care, Instagram, YouTube, wherever you wanna shave on, but both of y'all got a vintage straight razor challenge. So y'all get y'all some. Let's see if y'all watching my videos, if y'all even, if you respond. But hey, look, fun night. Glad to be home, great shave. Some good classic equipment, some good classic stank on the aftershave. Can't get no better than that. So this is Eric, this is my channel, Cajun Blade. And y'all stay classy, baby.